Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clocking in and equipping your bag and scanner. This saves minutes later. Once done, open the app, accept your batch, and confirm your picking zone so you know exactly where to go. Make sure the scanner battery and network are stable. If not, switch to offline procedures briefly, then reconnect. Start with perishables and fragile items first because they require careful handling. This reduces rework and complaints and keeps the flow efficient for the rest of your shift. You now optimize movement. Follow the app's pick path and pick multiple nearby orders together to cut walking time. As you scan each SKU, verify weight and packaging. This prevents wrong picks and returns. Once you encounter an out-of-stock item, immediately mark substitution and notify the system so replacements are chosen fast. Maintain a steady pace. Short pauses for accurate checks save time later. Keep bags organized by order and temperature, and reload items. You complete orders by rescanning each packaged bag and confirming every item against the manifest. This prevents last-minute corrections. Once done, seal bags, attach thermal labels if required, and load deliveries in drop-off sequence to avoid backtracking. Make sure payment and tips reflect in the app before leaving. If the app crashes or a route disappears, take a quick photo, report the issue via the support channel, and continue with manual sorting so customers aren't delayed while the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.